Here is my E-Flite F-16, the 64mm. I have added a rudder servo in. I got about the smallest, lightest servo I could find. It's an E-Flite 5-gram sub-micro. And I just dug out a spot in the wheel well and then carefully cut out a spot along the back V-stab for it. So you can see that it is wired up and working. And then I fished a wire down through the body. Just comes out and attaches to a Y harness. Currently it is connected in line with the nose wheel steering. However, I might take that out. We'll see. Probably won't be connected to anything. So that's it. There is the rudder on my E-Flite F-16, ready for a maiden.